Do you guys want one?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's get a blue one and a red one.
Oh, is it pulp?
Of course
You
it's
have
pulp,
pulp?
you idiot.
Why would you buy
You are
pulp or-
horrifying.
I am civilized.
Civilized is a relative term.
If I do not injure myself in any way today, I might be a little disappointed. I've never hurt anybody in my life. Other than Adrian's face, like.
Then 10 seconds ago.
And your main hot.
Here, look at this. Some people have paid $8 for it. Since the beginning of this pandemic, 5 years ago, I have not bought a single mask ever. I've literally just used used ones I found in the bargain lot.
That's disturbing.
Why are we in this aisle?
Dude,
Well, what aisle do you want to go to?
The check egg.
you psychopath.
Do you like pulp in your orange juice, Nancy?
Oh yes, I do.
See? Uncivilized.
Okay, but now we're tied.
We need a fifth party.
We'll find a fifth party.
Yeah,
Drop
hold it
down
eye
here.
level.
That
You
sounded-
child.
He was making a joke about me being short. Do you like pulp in your orange juice or no? No.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Exactly.
Thank you.
It's like pieces of food floating.
Yeah, who wants
Right?
that?
It's like someone backwashed into your orange juice. It's horrifying.
That's good.
That's
Let's
funny.
go. The car's over here, boys. This is Caleb's car over here.
What happened?
Oh, a pickaxe. I literally persuaded a stranger to throw a pickaxe into the back of my trunk a whole bunch of times.
Oh, Mama. Mama. This is for.
You could do it again. Janae?
Oh, that feels so good. Why though? Why? Oh, that's some good shit right there. Never in my life. Again. Oh. What?
See, it feels good, doesn't it?
Thank you very much.
Yep.
I'm so sorry.
No.
Feels amazing. Name's Lowell. I broke your shit.
He loved it.
Redneck sunroof, ladies and gentlemen.
You're just gonna blow up in your face. It's gonna kill us.
Well, so much for that.
Oh shit.
You bent your brand new knife?
It was only $20, so.
Only $20 in this economy?
Yeah, Adrian.
Dude, that's my seat.
And?
He wants to keep his seat nice.
You think someone still put their treasure in here? Someone
Absolutely.
did their treasure in here 100 years ago?
I bet it was Blackbeard. Nope, looks like just SpongeBob. This is SpongeBob's dead uncle.
Oh, it looks like
Stuart.
SpongeBob. It looks like a dead SpongeBob that's been mutilated.
It's not quite as comfortable anymore.
Really? Shocker. It is actually going through the metal. Boy is going for broke with his... Okay, yep, that is now a custom...
y'all.
So
Custom steering wheel, boy!
it cut right through metal
This is actually pretty
and
impressive.
the wood and everything. I use tools like roughly sometimes.
Sometimes. Great minds think alike, Adrian. Adrian, could I get a probability on how or if the cops are going to show up today?
Give it a 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. What are you expecting to gain there, Caleb?
So
I've never
True.
asked myself that question before.
I believe you.
What am I actually trying to gain?
Insert depressing noise.
Release of aggression.
I'm a car whisperer, and your car tells me you have lingering aggression and daddy issues.
Throw that at me.
Boom.
3 weeks ago, this was a perfectly good car. Dude, we're gonna throw it off the roof.
The
No,
car?
The car?
Oh man, if there was a way I could throw this car off the roof, we're gonna throw something off the roof onto the car, is what I meant.
Fruitopia!
Okay, who wants to actually drive this thing?
Me.
Oh, you can drive it.
I bet.
Oh.
Yes.
Put down the window.
That sounds bad.
Easy. There's a me here.
Whoa! 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 I'm on the roof.
Car, roof, Caleb. Wonder what shall transpire.
Hey Dave, if you want to hit my car with that, you can. Do it, come on.
What hasn't been damaged yet?
Looks like that fender is still pretty good. Yeah, it needs a little more, I think. See?
There it is. Yes. Woo! Easy there.
So I missed.
Really?
Oh. Okay. I'm coming down.
He is on cocaine.
That's just his personality, man. This guy is nuts. Hey, Caleb! He has successfully come down.
Basically now nothing will fly out because it's duct taped into the boulder and it won't get wet because it's under the hood. You can call me a genius, but I'm too humble to accept your compliment. I'm just gonna sweep the back window into the trunk.
Very efficient.
I know, then we can just close the trunk and be done with it. I'm a ramp over that. I got no cushion on my driver's seat for some reason, so it's gonna really hurt when I land.
Oh, man.
You also lost one of your horns over there.
What?
One of your horns. What's he doing?
I don't know. And he's gone.
He's the most impulsive person I've ever met.
Literally. Caleb running off the pain of ramping with no seat cushion. He's walking off that. His shoes got filled with glass and then slammed down. How's it going?
That's mine. Yeah. Oh, let me go get it.
Did someone actually call us in?
Yeah, of course.
Is this registered to you?
Yeah, it's registered to me. But we weren't taking it on the road or anything. We were just leaving off in the park now.
You guys are crazy. You guys are in a crazy mood today.
Oh, yeah.
You guys got an idea to you?
I do actually. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, can you see the video? See how good he is?
Thank you, sir. Yeah, thanks. You have a good day. That guy in the white truck, staring for days.
Sus.
Well, now he's stopped. Oh my goodness. We don't want to get the cops called again, waste any his time again, make him do a ton of paperwork, so we're not going to actually do anything crazy. We're still going to make a fish pond. We're just not going to drive it around because that would be, we'd probably just get the cops called on us again. That waste everyone's time, so.
Dude, maybe don't draw more attention than necessary.
Oh, okay. We're done.
Massive cap, bruh. Massive cap.
It's probably enough footage of me sweeping. Hey, wait, let me stick my head in. Guess what, Adrian? You get to sweep this up because I already swept up.
Throws Fruitopia. So, Caleb and Adrian are beginning the working of the pool.
Now put it over the headrest.
Too late! So this is basically going to be turned into a pool with a tarp. Entrance will be the sunroof.
This has got to be in the top 20 of my best ideas.
Here's your thingy. Boom!
So I'm just taping it up like this so that no more glass falls down in there. I don't have a YouTube channel. I don't know why I'm.
You haven't posted it? Why are we filming this?
I just never edited it and posted it.
And this part will be cut, but this is Adrian doing an absolute coke.
I'm just smelling Adrian's marijuana over there.
So, update, the footwell is now full.
No, I already got that.
Do you have that already?
Yeah, I got a massive enclosure.
11.29.
11.29. There you go. Oh no, you can keep the change if you are you allowed chicken tips?
I'll just donate it.
Oh, that's perfect. We just got back from the pet store. I got my friend Barry. The lady said he needed a very large enclosure, and I said my tank is like as big as a car. I kid you not.
Spit the fish in.
Look at Barry.
There's Barry.
There's Barry.
Barry.
My mouth tastes fishy. Yo, I'm gonna take Barry home with me. Barry's gonna be my pet. This is how me and Barry start our relationship. Is in the backseat of my car. All good relationships start in the backseat of a car. Everybody knows that. So here's what we're gonna do. The water in there is very cold. Our Fruitopia warmed up because it was in the sun.
You know you just killed Barry, right?
No, Barry is still very much alive. Hey Barry. Hey
You're not gonna be able to see Barry.
How you doing? I gotta set my shorts on fire. Do you have your lighter?
No, it's inside.
Idiot.
I just made a very exciting video where I lit myself on fire and then jumped through my skylight, but our cameraman is high, and so he wasn't videoing. This guy is so big.
You know you have to get good shots, right, Adrian?
All right, buddy. We're working on this. Where did Barry go?
Where's Oh, Barry's right here.
Hey,
Barry
let's
the
catch
fish.
Barry.
Barry is still doing okay. He's in here. The water is very chilly.
This video is not sponsored by Fruitopia. I'm saving
Fruitopia's
you guys.
still clean?
I'm saving you guys lawsuit fees, okay?
I would call this an unprecedented success. Brad,
Vibrator in there.
you were right not to come in here. I just got a piece of glass in my knee.
Okay, say hi to YouTube for real this time.
They're so enthusiastic to be here, it's unreal. I really, ow! Oh! Stop it, no!
I sprayed cold water in places that are usually not cold, and then Caleb dived out of his... You realize that I have the hose here, right? Ready to fight the rebels there, Caleb?
Fight the rebels. The rebels, eh? Ow!
Caleb is on
it
fire.
Feels hot. It feels hot.
Really? It fell off. It's over there now.
Oh, scary. I'm a trained fireman.
Use squirty method.
This car was once white. I'm turning it red.
I mean,
I
what
just
he
said
did.
water where there's only supposed to be air. I didn't like that.
Did you kill it?
Yes.
Stop it. Let me film this outro. Outro. Conclusion. Today was fun. We made a pool. There's Barry. Don't worry, guys. We're not going to leave Barry here all alone. We're going to scoop him up, take him with us, and that Fruitopia as well. Yeah, Barry's coming with us because somehow I suspect that this water is not going to spend the whole night here. It is leaking a little bit. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. Tune in next time where we will do more of similar things. Oh, Barry's a quick little bugger.